Hi, this is an instructional video for digital technology, and I'm going to show you today how to use a digital presentation tool on the web. It's an animated presentation tool. The name of it is Powtoons. I like this tool because it's relatively easy to manipulate. It's pretty straightforward. You have the option of using a free trial, and you can upload 30 presentations. After that, you need to decide whether or not this is a tool that you like enough to pay for it. I do have a subscription. I do use it quite a bit, and I find it a good alternative to PowerPoint. I find it a good alternative to Prezi as well, although I do use both of those tools. In the video, I will discuss some of the features and the aspects you need to know to create your first animated presentation, and I hope that you find this valuable.
This is Powtoon, POWTOON.com, and it is an animated presentation tool, a web-based animated presentation tool, and it's pretty easy to create a presentation. So before you start, you have to log in. You have to create an account, whether you're just doing the trial or if you subscribe. After you create your account and log in, you're going to come right here where it says Start Now. And it will give you the option to choose a template. And these are kind of like just fill in the blank. You can change parts of the template to customize it. Or you can go to a blank project. For today, I'll just go to a blank project. So put in a title, and maybe you want to provide a little description, and then click on Create. Okay, so here's your blank screen, your slide, and then it's similar to PowerPoint, so you have your slides over here. This is your add a slide, subtract a slide. Up here is if you want a new project. It's pretty self-explanatory. Save your project, and of course you want to remember that you should save quite frequently. If you for some reason don't save and you close out, the next time you come back to the login screen, it will say right here, you closed and you did not update. Would you like to load the updated version now? And over on this side, let's move our screen, you have your text right here, and the thing that I like about this is when you just hover over the option, it'll show you what it is. So that's the handwriting, word by word, letters rolling. I like the letter by letter actually, the letters appearing. So it'll show you what effect it has. Up here are a few other graphics that you can insert into your project. Image holders, so like you can type in here so it looks like a picture if you wanted to put some text in there. Characters, a bunch of people doing a bunch of different things, and these are animated characters. And just some more props down here. You can change your background. So this is what you get if you have the trial. If you subscribe, you get a whole bunch more. So let's try to put some text in. So right here, when you want to edit your text, go ahead and type in your message. If you want to change the colors, there's many different colors, many different fonts. And of course you can change the size to right here and then click apply. If you want to, you would go right here if you wanted to elongate that. So down here is where we have our timing. And when you only have a few things on your screen, you can click here and then move the timing. Or if you have a bunch of stuff on your screen, sometimes it's hard to determine what icon it is down here. Just click on whatever you want to time and then time it. So you can do it either way, here or here. So let's do that. We'll have that come in at 1 second. And then this guy we'll have come in later. And then to preview it, you want to move this triangle all the way over to 0 and click play. And you'll see that he'll write. And then there comes your animated character. So for each slide, it can go up to 20 seconds. And you do that, you add seconds or subtract your seconds using this right here, plus or minus. With the trial version, you can only see right here, this is the total amount of your project. For the trial version, you can only go up to 5 minutes. So if you have something that's longer than 5 minutes, what I've done in the past is I just make more than one file. That requires people to click on more than one link, but it's not really that cumbersome. It's pretty easy to do. So up here you can add sound, you can add images, you can do a web search. I don't particularly care for this feature because it seems to be quite limited. Here I usually end up finding pictures. I save them to my computer and then I can upload the file. You can preview it. While you're in this mode, it'll show you what it'll look like, and when you're finished you can export it to YouTube, and then what they'll do is they'll email you a link. It never takes more than, usually takes about 15 minutes or so. And right here with the sound, you can add sound. So you can do a voiceover where you can just go ahead and record. That is a little bit difficult because you can't see what's going on, so the timing is a bit of an issue. I think this is the one aspect that is a drawback for this particular program. Or you can import a file, and you can do that by creating MP3 on Audacity, save your project, convert your project to an MP3, and then you can upload it here. The one thing you'll have to be aware of is when you upload it, you're going to have to go back and fool with your timing and the transitions. Because once you upload it, you can't do anything else. You can't edit the sound. But you can edit the timing and the transitions on your slide. So that is powtoon.com, and once again it's an animated presentation tool, a web-based animated presentation tool, and it's pretty easy to use. It's a nice alternative to Prezi or PowerPoint, and I hope that you find this tool useful.